Hello friends, you see, this is a magic of science. We have lighted a candle inside the water. You see, the level of water is here, and you see, we can see the lighted candle in the water. This is the magic of science. You see, we have lighted a candle inside water. You see, you can see that we have lighted a candle inside the water. You see this one? Here you see, we have lighted a candle inside the water. Dear friends, if you like this magic of science, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. This is a magic of science.